This is the Vauxhall Cavalier 25XE, a car from the 1990s that tried desperately to pretend it wasn't from the 1990s. It had a 2.5-litre V6, the 25XE, and while that sounds exotic, it was built by people who wore high-vis jackets and thought handling was just something you did with parcels. The engine, though, it was actually rather good. Smooth, torquey, the sort of V6 that made a lovely noise when you weren't being deafened by the wind noise, the plastic dashboard, or your own disappointment. And the interior, imagine sitting in a grey lunchbox. Grey seats, grey plastic, grey carpets. It was like being absorbed by a photocopier. You got fake wood, fake leather, and fake joy. Still, for the time, it was fast-ish. The rep mobile that told the world you were middle management, but ambitious.